Good morning, students. Let's continue our chapter 4 Animals Our Friends. And today we will discuss our new topic Dangers of Wildlife Trade. You know that in many parts of the world, wildlife is in danger form. And I'm using here the one word wildlife trade. What do you mean by this word wildlife trade? Animals which are being killed because their body parts are used by humans. That is called the wildlife trade. And why it is harmful? Why wildlife in the danger form? Because of the many illegal hunting and poaching activities of man. Now, my dear, today I am here discussed the some animals and their body parts that are being used for the trading. First one, you have seen on the screen elephant. Elephants are hunted for their tusk. The tusk, it is commonly known as tusk, are used for making jewelry and the decoration pieces. Next one is bear. North and South American bear are killed being for their gallbladder. On the screen you have seen black bear and human being take the internal part gallbladder from their body. What is the use of this gallbladder? This gallbladder is smuggled to the other countries and to use to make the medicines. Next one is rhinoceroses. Rhinoceros are also killed for their horn, and these horns are grounded into the powder form and to make use in medicines. Now, next is musk deer. Musk deer is becoming extinct because of its hunting to obtain kasturi. Kasturi is an ingredient that is used in many perfumes. And my dear, you see in lockdown periods, COVID-19, you have seen our serials Ramayana, and there you see Rama went to a side of the deer, that is the musk deer, for their fragrance of kasturi, that is Rama goes back to this deer. Now, next is goats. Mountain goat. Mountain goat is hunted for its hair. A healed variety of expensive variety of this wool, that is called the pashmina wool, and this pashmina wool is obtained from the mountain goat. And here mountain goat, you have seen on the screen, there are the some hairs that is removed from the body of the goat because it is the fleece body parts, and there is the no harm of their body. It is the outer portion. Now, next is tiger. Tiger are killed for their bones and also killed for their skin. Skins of the tigers that are used to the decorate wall by the hunters. In some movies you have also see on the screen, there are the on the wall hanging of the skin of these tigers, and there are also used by the claws and teeth, that is used as a jewelry form. And the some superstitious persons who think that these can bring them good luck sign, so some persons kills the tiger for their bones, skins, claws and teeth. Next is frog legs and caviar as a fish. You have see on the screen there, these are the frog legs. Legs of the frogs are eaten as they are considered to be delicacy. My dear students, because there are every type, some persons are vegetarians, some are non-vegetarians, and about you, I'm inform you about 200 millions to 1 billion frog legs are consumed each year. This might lead to the extinction of the many species of the frog. So, when frogs decrease, the population of the frog will affect the many organisms and also increase the insect population. Now, see the second picture. Second picture is the caviar, that is the fish. Caviar is the another costly delicacy that is made from the unfertilized eggs, and is that variety of this caviar fish, these unfertilized eggs are consumed by the human being and they are also selling purpose. Here there is the number of these variety of fish is decrease. Now here I am discuss the some animals which are in danger form and some animals are in the extinct form. Now what step we will go ahead? Here wildlife protection. Wildlife protection, why it is necessary? You hear there are some cases where monkeys are troubling peoples. Some monkeys are taking away the things from their houses, and sometime you have hear and see the news, their leopards and tigers are becoming out from the forest. They are moving here and there. Sometimes they have man eaters. Why? Here why they are doing that? Why they are man eaters? Because we have destroying their living area by cutting down of forest. That why they are out from their forest and come to the human being land. So protection of wildlife is very important. Hunting of wild animals. The act prohibited hunting of wild animals. No person shall hunt any wild animals as specified in the schedules. However, there are the certain exceptions. The state government may order to kill or wound in the good faith any wild animal for self-defense or to protect or save another. Any animal so killed or wounded is not an offence and shall be government property. The government may permit killing of the certain wild animals for academic purpose only. Wildlife Protection Act. Government of India enacted the Wildlife Protection Act in 1972 with the objective of the effectively controlling the poaching and illegal trade in wildlife. This has been amended in the January 2003. Punishment and penalties of offences under the act have been made more stringent. Means their wildlife protection had this act provide the protection of wild animals, birds and plants. Now my dear students, it is very important reason to protect the wildlife is that they form an important part of many food chains. As they are killed, many of other animals in that food chain get affected. And tomorrow we will discuss the food chain and food web. Thank you so much.